Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure StorageSense to free up disk space step by step clearly. To configure StorageSense, start by opening the Settings app. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. Once in Settings, look for the option labeled System. Click on System to access the system settings. In the left sidebar, find and select Storage. Here, you'll see an option for StorageSense. Toggle the switch to turn on StorageSense if it isn't already enabled. Next, click on Configure StorageSense or Run it now. You'll be presented with several options related to storage management. Adjust the frequency of when StorageSense runs according to your preference. You can choose from options such as every day, every week, or every month. Below this, you'll see settings for deleting temporary files. Check the boxes for the types of temporary files you want StorageSense to remove. This may include items found in the recycle bin and temporary files. Scroll down to the section that deals with locally available cloud content. Here, you can set preferences for files saved to the cloud. Specify when you want older cloud content to be removed from your device. Once you've made your selections, you can also run StorageSense manually. Click on the Clean Now button to free up disk space immediately. Once completed, you will see a summary of how much space has been cleared. Make sure to review all settings before exiting. This ensures that your preferences are saved and active. Congratulations, you've configured StorageSense successfully to help free up disk space. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.